It's fair to say that seismic air gun blasting is extremely disruptive and loud, correct?
I don't know exactly how loud it is. I've never actually directly experienced it myself. And when you say disruptive, I can't answer that question unless you elaborate on what you mean by disruptive to what.
Mr. Chair, I'd ask for unanimous consent to sound an air horn in committee.
Hearing no objection, the gentleman may demonstrate.
Was that disruptive, Mr. Oliver?
It was irritating, but I didn't find it particularly disruptive.
Okay. What about every, say, 10 seconds, like seismic air gun blasting goes on for days, weeks, months?
If I were that close to it, yeah, probably.
Yeah. What if you depended on sound for hunting your food and for communication? Do you think it would be disruptive?
At a distance of 20 feet, yes, it would be.
How much louder do you think seismic air gun blasting sounds than this air horn you just heard?
I honestly don't know.
What if I were to tell you it's 16,000 times louder than what you just heard here? Can you see how that would be impactful on marine species and mammals?